A child has a fever. A child is crying. Can you check why he is crying?
Okay. He looks sick.
Can you check his temperature?
Sure. Where is the thermometer?
It is in the first aid kit box over there. Do you know how to use it?
Sorry, I don't know. Can you please explain to me how to use it?
Turn on the thermometer first. Hold the unit with the sensor 1 cm from forehead, then press the start button. Wait until it beeps, and check the temperature reading.
Thank you. I will do it as you said. Oh, it's 38.5 degrees. It's a bit high.
Can you check if he has a rash on his body?
He has a rash on his body.
Is he having trouble breathing?
No, breathing looks fine.
Can you check if he has blue lips or skin?
He does not have blue lips or skin.
We need to cool him down. Can you take off his jacket and have him rest on the bed?
Sure.
How old is he?
I will check his record. He is 3 years old.
Was he fine this morning?
He usually played with other children actively, but this morning, he didn't.
Can you please contact his parents, tell them their child is sick, and pick him up?
Okay. I will call his mum. Her phone was turned off.
Who else is in the contact list?
Let me check. I got his dad's contact number.
Can you call his dad?
Sure, I am calling him now. Oh, no. It's connecting to the voicemail. I will leave a message. Hi, Mr. Merringtalk, this is Jane, Daycare Center. Your son has a fever. Would you please call me back as soon as possible, and would you please pick him up early today?
Can you check his temperature again?
Yes, I checked the temperature. It's slightly dropped now. 38 degrees.
Please look after him closely. If his dad does not call us, please call him and his mum again.
All right. I will do it.